Good day, lovelies, and happy weekend. My today's client came in confused. She wanted to do packing gel, and the style that she had in mind is Lagos Airline packing gel, but her hairline is telling otherwise. I told her packing gel is a nice idea for a hairstyle to make, but Lagos Airline packing gel is a no because of your hairline. She said she wanted a very beautiful hairstyle that will fit a wedding occasion she's going for. And also, any style I'm making her, she'll choose an extension she'll use at the back because she doesn't have anything in mind. And she's not using wave on, so you see that I use kinky or attachment for her. So she just said, okay, since her hair will not be good for Lagos Airlines, I should just do my thing and look for the best extension that she will use at the back that will fit where she is going to. My lovelies, honestly, like I said before, if a client tell me that I should just do my thing, just do what is in your mind, do anything that will fit me. Before, when I was still single, I would jump up and wake up my creative mind to do something different, something because my thinking faculty then were very, very open, very, very wide, because there's nothing that is stressing me. No kids, no thinking of what to cook when I get home, all those kind of things. Marriage comes with so many responsibilities. Then I would really jump in and do something special. I would just think out of the box like that. But now, since I got married and started having kids, I don't like those kind of plenty stress of, please think what will fit me, That kind of stress, I don't need it now. So whenever a client tell me that I should just do my thing, I should just take what will fit them, honestly, the thing they tire me because, a person never think of what to cook when they go out finish. But sometimes I just do it. Sometimes I just feel happy that, okay, let me bring up my creative mind to do this thing. But honestly, it's not really easy. Sometimes when I hear single hairstylists saying that, hey, it's good to be creative, you bring out your mind, and yes, it's good to be creative. Yeah, it's really, really good. I don't argue about that part because I was in that position when I always say, no, I don't like my client to choose style for me. I always want to just allow me look at your face and choose style that will fit you. Yes, I was in that shoe then, but now, baby girl, but now, please bring your style. I always tell you, please send me your inspo so that I will know what I'm working with. Because me thinking for every client, me thinking what will fit you. How many person go think, I beg? How many will I think? If I start saying, okay, when you come, I will think of what to make for you to every of my clients. Hey, which brain will I think to do my wifely duty now, my mommy's duty? My brain is filled though, so please. My beautiful client, if I ever told you that I don't have strength to think that you should please send me your inspo and that part of me got you angry, I'm sorry. That's what comes with motherhood. Our mind is occupied with our children. So for my client today, I had to think because she said she don't have any element apart from that Lagos Airline packing gel. And I know her hairline will not allow that's the part of Lagos Airline. It will not work because all her front hair are gone. So I had to really think for her. And guys, I came up with this particular style. I came up with this side gel. Something that will fit her. And like I said, she also said that she choose the extension that will fit the hair and fit the occasion she's going for. So I choose to use attachments to do the back for her. So my lovely, I am done cooking this beauty and it's time for honest rating, please. On a scale of 1 to 10, maybe rate this one. And thanks for watching. Bye. See you in my next one.